Okay, so I told you already that I got a drone and it's time to finally unbox it. I just want to see how it works. So here's my drone. Let's get to the office and check it out. I am telling you, I can hardly wait for the day where the background of my videos don't look horrible because of moving. So, alright, I found it. I don't know why, but it wasn't in the office to begin with. It was off in another room. But here's the drone. Very simple little box. And, well, I thought it was a good value for what it is. You get this little remote control, but it also shoots 4K video at like 60 frames a second, so I can't complain there. That's you can also upload directly to all of these little social networks. So anyway, this is the drone. Let's go ahead and get it out of the box. I'm gonna use this. Oh my word. There we go. Fly your unmanned aircraft below 400 feet. Well, a good chance I'm doing that. I'm going to have to look over all of this safety information before I go flying it around places. There are some different compartments. In here, it looks like I've got some propellers. I think these are the propellers, so it's super tiny. Actually, let me go ahead and get some shots inside the box. So I'll film in the box with this, and then you can see what's inside the box. We're currently doing the unboxing. I'm filming over here on my iPhone 10. So, and then right here we're filming on the camera. So, inside is several different boxes. One seems to include the propellers here, right there. And then over here, I don't know what this even is. Probably paperwork of some sort in there. And what else have we got? So this looks to be charging cables and charging accessories. So that's of course going to be important. And this, I would imagine, oh no, that's just the controller. And underneath here, this is the drone and its drone carrying case inside. Okay, so here's the drone box. I'll go ahead and get this out of the drone box. It's wicked tiny. Look at the size of this. Incredibly small. And what's this right here? It also looks like there's another camera. Ah, here we go. So it looks like the battery pops in right there. So I'm going to set the drone up and we'll get back to this. Okay, so I think I've got it all set up. I'm attempting to get out to the golf course. Oh my word, I'm carrying the world. Alright, so I'm out on the golf course. And I got the drone all hooked up and I'm ready to take off for the first time. Not that you can see it very well. So let's check it out. Let's see how it works. Whoa, hey, there we go. We're in the air. Check it out. That little guy's incredible. Look at this. This is incredible. Oh man, I don't know what I'm recording right now, but this is incredible! Alright, let's do this. Let's fly it. So that was my drone video. If you enjoyed this, there'll be one more video coming out today. Of course, this was the first day with the drone, so it's going to just get better from here. Anyway, I will see you later. Bye-bye.